Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn a normal photo into an animated transformation where your outfit changes into a beautiful floral dress. And the best part, it's super easy, beginner friendly, and you can do this for free using an app called Dreamface. So let's get started. First, just open the Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just go to Play Store and then just download it from there. And once it's installed, just open Dreamface and then just log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamverse will offer a free plan with weekly free credit, so you can try this feature without paying anything. And then after logging in, you will land on the home page, and then just simply tap on Magic Effect. This one, this section is where all cool animations are, including outfit change, styles, and special effects. And inside this Magic Effect, just scroll down until you find the effect that called floral skirt. This one, just tap on it. This effect will automatically transform the outfit in your photo into a floral dress with smooth animations like this. And then next, just choose your photo. Just upload your photo from your gallery by tap on the plus button and then just upload your photo. Like this, and then next just tap on confirm. And just for the tips for the best result, just use a photo where the person is facing forward, and then I recommend use the full body or upper body is clearly visible, and then the lighting is good and not too dark. And once you have selected your photo, just simply tap on create. It will take one credit. Just tap on it. And okay, like this, your photo is now transformed into a stunning animated floral dress transformations. You will see a natural movement and animations that make it look alive like this. The transitions or the transformations, it looks so good. And okay, that's it. It's super simple, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.